In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this ASUS. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called DevCheck Device and System Info. It has to be from Flare2 developer. When your app is ready, open it. And thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!